about mitosis and meiosis. First, we will understand the difference between meiosis versus mitosis. Meiosis. This is when eukaryotic cells reproduce. Half of the chromosomes from each parent goes to the offspring, and each human has 46 chromosomes and makes gametes. The offspring will not be identical to the parents, and it takes a sperm and an egg cell to create their offsprings. Mitosis. This is when the nucleus divides in the eukaryotic cell. It's when parent cells divide to produce two identical daughter cells. It makes body cells. There is a cycle that divides the cells, and I will explain those in the following. Here are the phases of mitosis. First, we have interphase. Interphase is the phase where the cell has one visible nuclear membrane, chromatin DNA, and one centriole. This is before the whole process of mitosis begins. Here's the centriole. Here is the chromatin-formed DNA, and here is the nuclear membrane. Prophase. Prophase is the phase where the nuclear membrane starts to disappear and the two centrioles form on both ends of the cell, and X-shaped chromosomes also form, while spindle fibers connect with the centrioles. Here are the two centrioles. Here's the X-formed chromosomes, and here are the spindle fibers. Metaphase. Metaphase is when all the X-formed chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. There are still two centrioles and spindle fibers that are still present. An easy way to remember this is by remembering that metaphase starts with an M, and so does middle. So metaphase has chromosomes in the middle. Anaphase. Anaphase is when the spindle fibers begin to split the chromosomes. They will be pulled toward the centrioles. Two centrioles are still present, and so are the spindle fibers. An easy way to think of this is away and anaphase. They both start with A, so just think anaphase has chromosomes that split away from each other. Telophase. In telophase, the cell begins to divide. All the organelles are pushed to both ends, and the cell begins to split. This is the cytoplasm in the cell begins to separate. The cytoplasm is a gel-like substance that holds all the organelles in place. Once the cytoplasm splits, the cell membrane seals up both the cells. This results in two daughter cells. That's all for today. Thank you for listening, and remember to keep learning.